1, go! Feet in the middle to touch gloves. I just saw a fan belt fly off of somebody's car. It's in the mud. They're big cars. They need a lot of room to do some damage. Stuck in the mud. Side. You got it. Hard to jockey these big cars for position. There we go. Watch your nose, Lincoln. Watch your nose. Oh! Running his own show against the tube. Oh, that's a hard blow to the back of the Lincoln. The Caprice and the Lincoln locked in a death grip, trying to separate. Oh no. 10-4 shut down. It's not looking good. He's trying to get her fired again. It's down to the Caprice and the Lincoln. The 10-4's shooting flames. He's coming back to life. It's coming. Look out. He's not giving up. He's got to run her the last round on the battery. Still cranking, no action yet. Smoke pouring from the 01 car. Touch wood, the luxury Lincoln, still hard in business. Just put on a reverse light. Here they go. We're down to 2. Lincoln versus Caprice in the luxury family car showdown. Sports fans, get ready. They're heading to their respective corners, lining up for the shot of death. Hello! More damage done to the Caprice, but the rear bumper peeling off of the Lincoln. It could be all over. One more swat. Oh! In a tug-of-war of death. Parts strewn everywhere. The Caprice isn't giving up. Those reinforced frame rails poking out like deep swords. Watch your nose, Lincoln, watch your nose. Swing around, Lincoln, swing around. Oh! No more jockeying for position, it's nose to nose. Glove to glove, fight to the death. Here we go. Yo! Drives him into the corner. Lincoln dominating at this point. He's in a deep rut. Still plowing with the front. Could be all over. He's waiting to see. Is the Caprice stuck? No, it's over. That's one for the luxury brand, folks. Hot Rod Lincoln takes home the title today. have the song on my iPod, I just don't have it here. Hot Rod Lincoln. Bit of a mud bath there at the end, folks. We're going to call it right now, sports fans. There's no takers for the Open. What a show. What a V8 show. I want to thank all our participants, all their hard work, all the destruction, all just for your folks' entertainment.